back from California to this beautiful, beautiful place. But first, we've got a park tool unboxing. So somehow while we were in California, we were building bikes and my crescent wrench got misplaced. So, kind folks at Park Tool have already replaced it for me. Jeez. What a good job. They replaced it with not only one, but two of them. Thank you, Park Tool. Psyched. So I'm not sure if you can see that or not, but brake cable's breaking, so I gotta replace it. As always, shout out to Park Tool. It's actually probably a pretty good opportunity to explain how I do this. So my brake cables on the top are a single inner cable from here, runs up, loops through my lever up here, comes back down around to the other side. So when I have to replace it, I have to replace the entire cable. Luckily, I have one right here, and luckily I have these pliers with the cutter on them as well, because I forgot to put my cutters back in my bag after getting back from California. So first things first, we get the old cable out of there, get everything apart, and then we'll come back and explain what's going on from there. So it's pretty mangled, but these don't really last any shorter. Oops, dude just jumped the spine for the first time ever. Do it again! Do it again! Yeah, that was better too. Next step here is to get these out of here and cut the other cable to the proper length and match it up with this one. All right, so we got the cables made up here. Got the end piece bent. I'm not showing super in depth because I have videos about it. So check the corner of the screen for a very in-depth tutorial on how to do this. Next step is installing the cables. Okay, and now we've got everything installed. These right here, there we go. These are tight. We just have some excess cable sticking out that we need to get rid of on both sides. But they pull fantastically. And a quick tip for anyone who does this brake cable setup, set it up so that when you tighten down the NARPs on here, your gyro is all the way down. Don't hover it or pull it upwards at all, because it takes away from the adjustment that you can do. And I'll show you what I mean. So if we tightened our gyro, pulling it up a little bit, then tightening it on the cable, it takes away from the adjustment that we get right here. So last step, cut off the excess, and then we're good to go. Just so you know, she's fixing her hair in the reflection of the screen right now.
Sorry. I didn't know you were actually doing everything.
Oh, I should have grabbed it. We're good. Now that my brake cable's replaced and I've got a new crescent wrench, I need to tighten my brake spring on the right side of my bike. So, Let's do it. Let's give a lesson on how to tighten brake springs. I've got a whole video about it, but why not? First step, loosen the barrel adjuster on the side that you need to mess with. Step 2, have an annoying friend who likes to get into the shot. Step 3,
squeeze right through here.
take the NARP out of your brake arm on the side you need to adjust. Step 4, loosen the brake spring, paying attention to the way that it coils so you know which way you need to turn it to tighten it. This is the side that tightening it is tightening. The opposite side, you have to loosen the cap to tighten the spring. Tighten your spring, pull your brake arm all the way out, then tighten the bolt. A little bit better. Let's make sure she's snug. And the reason you have this crescent wrench here is to hold the cap in place while you tighten it. Put your NARP back in your brake arm. Put your barrel adjuster back where it was. And now you should be good. Much better. Let's pull them. Yes, they spring properly now. And one last thing. Shout out to Park Tool. I love these crescent wrenches. Goes to California once, comes back sick, but not in a good way. Whoa! That's right. That's the proper way to do that. Free coasting. Yeah. Like I said, Cody's sick. He's drained. Yeah, Cody's backflipping. Whoa! That was actually cool. Yo, lines. The sad part is, I didn't even get the 1-footer part. Woo! Yeah. Backwards tire and all. That was pretty sweet. Yo! There you go. Oh, right there. What, are you leaving?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
I feel like crap.
Now I'm sick. Oh, that was it.
You do the 5, I'll do it.
I'm leaving. But wait, if you do the 5, I will.
Right here, you're gonna make me do it.
You just didn't want to leave. That was good though. Try for try. Here we go. You know what it is.
Oh, no.
It's a gun battle. Right after we said bye.
Oh. Ah. 540's mine right here.
Cody's like, bye. Wait, if you 540, I will. Oh, 450. Yo! Did you just say street cred? That's funny. I lost all my
Sorry.
park cred. Damn it!
I enjoyed
Aw,
that
you had
360
one.
step.
We're gonna scratch everything up until the double peg, because I did what I wanted to do there.
There you go, then you got it.
What?
You got it then. Good job.
Yeah, I'm gonna come back to the double peg thing.
Ugh, you already got it though.
Ugh. Nope.
Wait, just kidding. I forgot you didn't get that. There.
I'm going straight to the double peg. That was scary.
That was scary for me.
No! It was all part of the plan.
What, being greedy?
Yes. Clearly this needs to be my last trick, because I'm dead. First time riding at home since California. I gotta tighten my pedal quick.
Yay, good job. Woo, woo, woo. What was that?
And that's gonna do it for this video. Subscribe if you're new and you enjoyed, and hopefully we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.